Hey guys, welcome to another wig install video. So this hair is from Alipearl. I love Alipearl. I've worked with them several times before and they deliver. They never miss, okay? So this is this pre-constructed unit. The lace is already cut. The knots are already bleached, plucked to perfection. So I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to pop it on your head. And I also did a side part just to switch it up this time. So yeah, let's get into it. So welcome you guys to another install. This is gonna be with Alipearl hair. And this is how the box comes. And inside the box, you have your satin case for your wig, okay? You have a little mirror, cute little gift. And then you've got your wig. Now this wig comes super ready to go. There isn't even any lace to cut. Let me show you close up how the lace and the bleach look, or the bleached knots. So this is what she looks like, you guys. And as I said, the lace is cut. You do not have to do anything, not even cut the lace. Let me take this off so you guys can see real nice and clear. Wow, looking so nice. So I'm gonna be securing mine with some lace glue today, which is why I have my stocking cap already secured, and the stocking cap came in the box as well. So this is how she's looking. She's pretty long, I think 22 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. And it is a straight unit, but I am gonna add a few little layers and give it a light bump, just a light bump. So this is the inside construction. As you can see, you got your 5x5 lace. And then you also have some hooks installed. I typically take the hooks out of all my wigs normally. And then there's already a band installed for you for extra security. And I like where they place the band. It's right at the side of the actual closure, because the closure is what you want to lay the flattest on your head. So I'm gonna try it on. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay, this is fitting so perfectly. I love it. There is almost nothing you need to do to this wig. Wow, it's looking great. Let me just come up a little bit so you can see where it reaches. Okay, so I went ahead and put a lace cap on, but you do not need, not the lace cap, the stocking cap. You don't have to do the stocking cap if you're able to line your part up. The reason I did the stocking cap is if I want to do a side part, I don't have to worry about my black hair underneath. Like everything is going to have that skin tone. So no matter where I part, I'll still get a scalp effect. So that is why I'm wearing the cap. I've done a lot of center parts lately. So I'm going to do like a side part, you know what I mean? But right out the box, this is how she looks, like amazing, amazing. So I'm going to be using my Sticky Little Secret to secure the wig to my head. And it's also a good thing I have the cap on because my hair comes pretty low on my forehead. So the cap is going to protect my hair when I put the lace glue on top of the cap. But my hair is under. You get it? You get it. So let me go ahead and do that right now. I also have a link with a coupon code in the description box, so you guys can also get your Sticky Little Secret with a nice little % off. Now I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret and just apply a thin layer where I want to secure the wig. So I'm going to apply it to both the actual the stocking and my skin. So that's layer 1. I'm going to allow that to dry clear before I apply layer 2. The great thing about this glue, it literally takes 5 minutes to dry and turn clear. So you're not going to be waiting around forever. See, it's already disappearing and it's been like 2 minutes. So I'm just going to apply layer 2. Okay, so we are perfectly clear, which means it's time to put this lace in the glue. So I'm just gonna pull her forward and just place her in. And once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and just, use your comb to kind of blend it in a little bit. And voila! So let me come closer for you guys. So you may be able to still see a shadow of the lace. We can easily camouflage that with just a little bit of makeup. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I am going to transform this into a side part. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of layering in the front. Okay, so we've kind of relocated to my little station, and I'm gonna change this part from a center part to a side part. So we've got it as flat as I can get it right now, without spending too much time on it. So we got a little side part going on here. I'm gonna cut my little baby hair. I just took out just a little bit. I'm not a baby hair fan, so I'll do just like a touch like this. I'm gonna use some hairspray to secure it. So now I'm just gonna cut me a little layer in the front, just to kind of go like this. So now it's time to curl. I'm gonna take my trusty curling iron, and I'm gonna focus on curling the front piece. I'm gonna use it like a real curling iron. I'm not gonna wrap my hair around it because I want it to actually curl as opposed to be coily. Yeah, just want like the slightest little bump like that, basically. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm going to use my melting spray, spray it across the front just to help melt it, as well as mold the hair going back. Melting band came in the box. I'm done kind of bumping the ends. I didn't really curl it. I just barely added a little bit of body to the hair, and I'm pretty much done. So I'm gonna do my makeup. All right, so let me BRB. So I wanna take this headband off. It feels so great. So this is how we are looking. Oh my God. So yeah, I just wanted to give it a little bump, just to give it a little, body, but I didn't want to really curl it, like curly, get me? So this is what she's looking like. I give the bottom just a little bend, as you guys can see. So yeah, wow, it's so perfect. Oh my God. Uh-oh, I think my headband left a little dent here. That's okay, I can add a little water and just kind of brush it out. But let me just show you guys up close how well the lace is I'm coming, guys. So here I am. I'm here with you. Look at that. That looks really great. Look, you can hardly see it. Wow, like. All right, you guys. So one thing I must say, this hair, it's really, really good quality. I really like how it feels. Like it's super soft. It's nice and like heavy. I don't know what it is, but it's like very, I don't know, the body. I love it. So I'm gonna leave the link to this unit in the description box below. So comment down below if you love the side part on me better, or if you like the middle part. So comment down below which one you guys prefer. So this is it for today's video, you guys. And I'm gonna see you next time. I don't know what that was. Okay, bye.